Windows 11 is making sharing easier than ever. Microsoft is introducing a share button to both the Start menu and taskbar, encouraging more frequent content sharing. The share button in Windows 11 is a built-in feature designed to streamline sharing. When you click it, a panel appears, offering options to share via email, nearby devices, or installed apps like X. This feature simplifies sharing files, links, or text, making it more accessible and efficient. Microsoft is expanding the share button's presence. According to Microsoft Watcher Phantom, users will soon be able to right-click apps in the Start menu to share files with friends or family. Additionally, the share button is being tested on the taskbar, allowing users to right-click pinned items and quickly share recently accessed files. While these changes are promising, Microsoft is still testing them in preview builds. This means the share button's full rollout to all users is not yet confirmed. However, these updates hint at a more connected and user-friendly Windows 11 experience in the near future. CD Technology is dedicated to the security of your business. Contact us today to schedule a free network assessment 865-909-7606. We start working on your problem in 20 minutes or less.